Wind her up, wind her up. Yeah, get some. Yeah. That was fat. Mad Toyota fucking Friday, Friday. Here, but soon we'll get some more. These guys are nuts, and we love it.
Hey, Emmett, hit that one.
Big Dave Burger Blair. That's Spoon Jimmy there. He'd be rooting, but we're just getting his truck built. But it'll soon to be coming.
Emmett, go through this one again. That was cool.
Hey, Dave.
Try the one back there.
Dave, how long does this thing record?
As long as you want.
Really?
Yeah, keep recording until it shuts off.
Oh, dude, we're getting footage. I hope it turns out as good as it looks.
Is he in two-wheel drive? I don't know.
Oh, man, I can zoom and I just realized it. Shit.
He's gonna go. If you can zoom it, you're not filming.
Oh, okay, then that's what it is then. I am filming because I can't zoom.
He's gonna get that.
Yeah, see, it says record.
Yeah, I know. I just wanted to be able to zoom.